back to the channel. So in today's video, we are taking a look at how you can start your own online print shop. Now, Pic-Time reached out to me a few months ago and they asked if I wanted to try out their software with a view of reviewing it on my channel. So as per usual, I did say yes, and I wanted to spend a bit of time with this because I wanted to see if it was something that I could suggest and recommend to you. And it actually is. It's an incredible web design package for you to be able to sell your work online. Now, this makes it incredibly easy for you to be able to sell your pictures online now. And these are going to be frame prints, as you can see. This is my print shop. And I've already gone ahead and uploaded a few of my favorite pictures from various trips over the last couple of years. And if you are like myself and you have hard drives full of those travel images that are just sat there doing nothing, then maybe a print shop is for you. So let's jump into the back end of Pic-Time, and we'll have a look at, I'll come back to that because that's my referral, and you can have a month of free trial plus an extra month if you use my sign up link, and I will leave that in the description somewhere below. And yep, on my Pic-Time print shop that I've already gone ahead and set up. And incidentally, you can actually use your own domain name. So I have put in my co.uk domain name, and that links directly to my print shop. So this is the home page. I have pictures from Rome, Montalbano, Levanto, Portofino, Poliano a Mare, Matera, Milan, Venice, Civita Bagnoregio, which is just the most incredible place in Italy, Florence, Portovenere, and Sri Lanka. Last but not least, Easter Island. And then also have a print from New York. And then I've got a folder marked things. Now, these are interesting things I've taken pictures of, and I'm not quite sure what to categorize those in. So I've just put a things folder. So this is what I've got currently selling on my print shop. Now, if we click into this print here, you can see that this is a drone shot, and this was from the beach in Montalbano in Italy, and I just thought it was really beautiful, all the different colored umbrellas, and I thought it was a great drone shot from above. Now, you can go in and you can create additional artworks to show your picture in place, in situ on a wall, and it gives you the rough sort of dimensions in that space. So that works incredibly well. I've chosen to have a black frame on this print. I think that sets the colors off really nice. And I also have a few variations. So these are the variations that I have made and installed on this page. And I'm going to show you. And if you look down here, so I've obviously got a custom description, and it's going to say production time is 6 business days turnaround. So the beauty about Pic-Time is it's going to fulfill your print orders directly to your customers. So they will go ahead and order the framed print from your website, and you don't have to ship anything yourself. It will get shipped directly from the closest manufacturer of frames that Pic-Time deal with, and that will be in your region or wherever you're setting your business or your print shop up. So yeah, it's easy to drop that into the cart. This is my 20 by 25 centimeter black frame print. I've marked that up as £50 and 18 pence. Now, if we go into the back end of this website, I can show you how we go about creating variations and variants for these individual pictures. So this is the Montalbano section with that drone shot, as I stated. And I have my 3 variations on what I'm selling here already. And let's just go to the 20 by 25 centimeter print. If I click on edit here, I get all these options to be able to add in. So let's go bedroom 2, and that will give you a view of that print on a black painted wall in that bedroom. And I think that looks really nice, especially with all those bright colors. And you've got all these different variations of room sets you can add in. So we go apply, and then that will add it into your image assets within that gallery. Now, let's add in a different variation, and I'll show you how we do that. Super simple. And don't forget, Pic-Time isn't just framed prints. They do lots of other different things as well that you can put into your shop. So you can have albums, you can have float frames, matted prints, metal prints, even flat lay albums, greeting cards, calendars, gallery boards, magazines, prints, panoramic prints, print packs, frames, canvas prints, fine art albums, deckled prints, not sure what that is, hardcover books, linen box prints, a wooden box to put your prints in, acrylic prints, and custom folios. So we want to add in a print, so we go to the shop section at the top here. This gives us a drop down. I'll go to frames. Whilst that loads, I will show you the referral. Again, I'll put that in the description below and somewhere on the screen now, so you can link to that. So start a free trial, get an extra month when upgrading to any paid plan. And you can also have galleries in here. So if you do things like wedding photography, you can create your client galleries that can be password protected. You can share those with your clients, and then they can log in, and then you can create your paid shop assets as you wish throughout your site. But I'm just purely using my website, my Pic-Time site, as a print shop. So let's go back into here. So going into my Montalbano print shop, I want to add a variant. So go to the store, click on shop. We've been through everything else that they currently have that you can put into your shop. So we're going to frames. We'll go to a new design. And then let's see what the biggest frame print is. So I think if we want to go portrait, let's go with this one. And let's go with this mount. No, let's go with a wider border mount. So that's that. Now, as you can see, I've got a little caution sign that's come up here, and that's probably telling me that my file isn't high res enough for that size print. So let's down spec that a little bit. So let's come down to this one. Okay, so we've still got that little symbol there. And let's go to 50 by 50. And in the 50 by 50, we can have this style mount. So that's quite interesting. And you can see now that that alert's gone away because the print size and the file size work well together. So it's going to give you a high enough resolution image to use within that print. So once we've done that, we can choose our frame color. So we can go white, we can go graphite, we can go for a light wood, classic wood or dark wood. I like all my frames to be in the black. I just think it sets it off really well. And then once you've finished editing that, go done editing, and that will add it into your variation list. So once we've added that in, we can click apply, and then that applies it to your list of available pictures for sale within that one product. Now we move on to how you price your picture. Now, customer price. This is the price that your customer will get charged. So for this variation, the customer will get charged £121.33. Photographer cost is £48.63. So that's the actual cost. And then the rest is the markup, which is the profit you're going to make from each of your prints. So really, it's as easy as that. And that's how you would make your money from selling your prints online. So let's click apply. And that will apply it to that gallery. Let's go back over here, click refresh, come into here. We can go 50/50 print. And then that is our new print in the gallery, in the shop, already waiting to be sold at £121.33. We can add that into the cart, and that will take 6 days to manufacture, to produce and ship. So really, that is our quick look at Pic-Time. What do you think of Pic-Time? What do you think about opening your own print shop? Is it something you've been thinking of for a while? Is it something that you're going to do based on how easy this is? As you've seen, all my prints I'm sure you've probably got much better pictures from your travels, but if you go in and hunt for the gold in amongst all your travel pictures, I'm sure you'll find a good few images that you can sell in your online print shop. So I thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and ring that bell if you'd like to be notified of more videos coming soon. Yeah, as I said, there is a referral link in the description, and that will give you 1 month and an extra month if you sign up using that link. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in another video soon. Bye for now.